What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. So I want to give you this really quick tutorial and to remind you guys that this is the last day of the giveaway. So to start this look, I used the Morphe eyeshadow base. This palette is from ColourPop, the Chasing Rainbows palette. It is super old, but I'm using this pink color. I think it was manifested on my crease, and I'm just going to blend that out. So while we are talking, I want to remind you guys that today is the last day of the giveaway. I will make sure to link that giveaway video in the description box below if you are not already a part of the giveaway, and give you guys another bonus entry. So today is the last day for the giveaway. I will accept bonus entries until tomorrow, but I wanted to ask you guys what you would like in the next giveaway, because we will be doing another one in March. So make sure that you leave those in the comment section below, and that is your extra bonus entry. And I'm not sure if you saw there, but I did take the Crayon Case Big Box palette and take a red out of there to deepen up my crease, and I'm just going to blend that out. The color that I'm going to use in this crease to deepen it up even more is from the ColourPop Chasing Rainbows palette. Also, this one is Prism. It's like a dark purple, almost a black, and I'm just going to deepen it up as much as possible. Because I'm giving you guys this video so late, I will go ahead and continue to accept bonus entries all through tomorrow, February 11th. And remember that the giveaway winner will be announced on February 12th, which is Friday. So I'm doing the same thing on both sides to deepen up my crease with that dark purple, the color Prism, and I'm just going to keep blending until I feel like it's nice and blended. Now I'm taking that color Prism and putting it on the outer corner on my lid, because the cut crease that we're going to do today is going to look like a heart shape, so I wanted to make sure that there was a lot of pigmentation on the end. Now I'm going to take my Avant, this is the micellar water, to kind of clean up my eyelids before I cut my crease, so that there's not so much color spillage. And I'm going to cut my crease in the shape of like a sideways heart. I wanted to make sure that I zoomed in for you guys so that you could see exactly what I was doing. That crease brush that I'm using, I'm not exactly sure on the name, but I am using the Morphe eyeshadow base to cut out my crease, because I really wanted the color to really stick whenever I do go back in and add a color on top of this. Now the purple glitter that I'm using, it is from the Crayon Case, the Big Box palette. I'm sorry I cannot remember the name, but I am going to raise the palette up to show you which one it is in case you do have the palette, but really you can use any color. I just really like this one because it shows really metallic, and I knew that it would pop on the dark shading that we did around it. Now to fancy up this look, I am going to create the heart shape outline. This is the NYX liquid white liner, and I'm just going to slowly draw a sideways heart shape around the purple that we already did. I zoomed in so that you guys could really see what was going on. It does kind of look like a butterfly or a heart. It's just however you want to take it. And on the side, I thought that it looked a little bit too plain after the heart, so I added a few little heart shapes on the side over here. And again, we're still zoomed in so that you can see exactly how I'm doing it. I really have no way of explaining it to you other than to show you, so that's why we're so close. But I did add little dots in between the hearts just for a little razzle dazzle. Repeat the exact same steps on the other side to make it look equal and the same. Now I'm adding some white underneath my eye on my waterline, and a little bit of purple underneath that. The white pencil that I use is by NYX. It's the Jumbo Eye Pencil, the ones that I tell you guys I love so much because they are so easy to glide on. And I'm just adding a thin layer of eyeliner just so that my lashes have something to hang on to and to look nice, because I always feel like it looks weird whenever you don't have eyeliner on with your lashes. And this eyeliner is from the Queen Duo pack thing, the one that I've been using that I told you guys I'm in love with. Like literally, I love this thing. After that, I'm just going to add lashes, and that is the end of this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not already, go ahead, like and subscribe.